Hey guys, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rati Tech Home. And today we will continue our series. Today we will continue our discussion on temperature sensor. If you did not watch our first video on temperature sensor, I'll put the link in description box where you can get it. Okay, so let's start our video. The next temperature sensor is BMP180. BMP180 is barometric pressure sensor and also used in measuring temperature. Here is PMP180 and the specification of PMP180 is temperature range. Main thing in specification is I squared C communication portal. We have already talked about I squared C communication portal, which is used by Arduino or Raspberry Pi to communicate with other embedded devices. Okay, so the temperature next thing is temperature range is minus 42 plus 80 degree centigrade and accuracy plus minus 0.5 degree at 25 degree centigrade. The price around 60 to 100 rupees. And here is another picture of BMP 180 where you can see VCC ground SCL SD and 3.3. So let's talk about SD and SCA. SCL is serial clock pin, use I2C interface, and SDA is serial data pin, which is also using I2 interface. These pin are used to communicate with Raspberry Pi and Arduino. Okay. TMP36. Next one is TMP36 and first pin of TMP36 VCC. Second is output pin heavy out or third is ground. Here is an analog temperature sensor and specification is communication portal is analog output and temperature range is minus 40 to 125 degree accuracy with plus minus 1 degree centigrade accuracy. Okay, and the interface with Arduino use analog read keyword. Here is a price 125 to 150 rupees. And the next one is LM75 is also use I2C communication, which is used by Arduino to communicate with other devices. Here is a pinout of LM75 VCC ground serial data pin, serial clock pin, and OC pin means over temperature shutdown pin. Here is some specification communication portal I2C and temperature range minus 55 to 125 degrees centigrade. Okay, and the accuracy is plus minus 2 degrees centigrade at minus 55 to 125 degrees, and the price around 170 to 200. And BME 280 is next one, is barometric pressure sensor also used in temperature and humidity measurement and communicate via I2C SPI communication port. Here is a pin out of PME 280 VCC ground SCL SD. We have already talked about SCL and SD. And the specification, in the specification main thing is temperature range minus 40 to 85 degrees centigrade with accuracy zero point 0.5 plus minus zero point 0.5 degree centigrade. Here is a price 50 to 100 rupees. And the next one is DS1621. The key point in specification is measurement temperature range is minus 55 to 125 degree and for in the Fahrenheit minus 67 degree Fahrenheit to 257 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, the price 300 to 500 rupees. Here is the next AM2311A temperature sensor. Is it is a temperature and humidity module. It's also used for long-term stability and give the digital signal output. Here is the specification of AM2311A. The temperature range is minus 40 degree to 80 degree centigrade and humidity range is 0 to 99.9% relative humidity. Accuracy, temperature and humidity is 0.5 degree centigrade and 3%. Here is a price like it is 550 to 650 vary according places. Here is the next and latest temperature sensor AHT20 recently released industrial grade temperature and humidity sensor, and the specification is temperature range -40 to 85 degrees centigrade, humidity range 0 to 100%, and temperature and humidity accuracy zero point 0.3 and ±2 degrees and 2 degree percent. Okay, 2%. And sensor type is capacitive humidity sensor, and the price is 365 to 400. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye guys.